Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain what happens if you lose or break your TREZOR Model One. If you lose or break your TREZOR, then nothing happens. But there are a few precautions. So nothing happens. What I mean by that is that basically you won't lose your money if, first of all, your PIN is something that cannot be easily guessed, because there's like 16 trials of the PIN, and after that the device wipes itself after 16 incorrect PIN entries. And if it's hard enough to guess, then probably after 16 trials no one will get it and it'll wipe itself. Or if you break it, then you don't have to care about the PIN. Now another thing is the recovery phrase. As you were setting up your device, there were these, I believe, 24 words that needed to be written down, and it is very important to have them somewhere safe, because with them you can just use any other device and restore your wallet just by using the recovery option while setting up that other wallet. Instead of setting up as new, recover it from a recovery phrase. Sometimes it'll be called recover from a backup or recover from a seed phrase, and doing that will basically give you access to all your funds. And this is why it's so important, first of all, not to lose your recovery phrase, because without it you won't have access to your money if anything happens to your device. But also it's very important not to share it with anyone, because if anyone has access to it, then they will be able to access all the funds. Remember also about using passphrases. If you were using passphrases, then also enter them on the new device. And if you want to learn more about passphrases or already know about them but want to learn how to use them on TREZOR, then you can watch a video on it on our channel. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.